Welcome back to the channel and your favorite gear and gadget evaluator. That's me. We test gear so cool it'll make your Airstream jealous. And today I'm testing and unboxing the DEX Fingerlight from fingerlight.com. Yep, a flashlight you strap to your finger like a tiny superhero gadget. We're here in our trusty camper van with my Airstream chilling outside. We're ready to see if this thing is actually a game changer like it claims to be for RV life. Let's roll. Here is the DEX Fingerlight. It's screaming, "Open me," louder than Piper running with shoes on. Let's dive in. RV tip: always keep a knife handy for unboxing or fending off squirrels. Slice. Oh yeah, we're in. Behold the Fingerlight. It's so cool. Check this bad boy out. It's like a glow stick and a Swiss Army knife had a baby. The DEX Flex adjustable ring right here at the bottom. Fancy talk for "it fits my sausage fingers." And a bright LED that's tougher than my Airstream's tow hitch. Let's see it in action. Oh no. Piper, that's not dinner. Okay, let's try this again. Behold, the RV Avenger, ready to light up the night, or at least light up my fridge. So why is this perfect for RV living? It's hands-free, it's bright, it's built to survive my chaotic campsite vibes. Let's go test it in the wild. Now we're trying to figure out where to hang all these tangled things. Now I can cook ramen at midnight while I check out my map, and I can even do it in green. Take that, Gordon Ramsay. The sock black hole. It's real, but this light is brighter than my hopes of ever finding a matching pair. Look at that glow. It even fits over my glove, so I can channel my inner rugged camper while fixing stuff. Look at me. I'm basically Bear Grylls. Alright RV fam, here's the verdict. This light is comfier than my Airstream's mattress. And brighter than the neon signs in Vegas. It's a must for late night repairs, cooking in the van, or just looking cool while pointing at stars. Downside, Piper thinks it's a toy. And my friends might swipe it. I'm talking to you. You know who you are. Oh, pro tip, don't blind yourself. I'm giving this thing 4.5 out of 5 campfire logs. The only thing that would make it better is if it had a red light for night vision purposes. It does have green though. Low, high. Green. It's a game changer for van life, for Airstream adventures, hashtag RV life, baby. But if you're into anywhere where there's tight spaces, you want to carry something small and easy to carry, you can hook it on any finger where it's not in your way of doing stuff. You can carry it here in your palm. It's not in your way of doing anything. You can cover it up. I really do like this light. I really think it's a neat option. You could even probably hook it on your bill or your hat if you needed to. It probably would stay. I'm going to cross this up a little bit. See? So versatile. It does a whole lot of things that you didn't expect it to do. Finger light is also a hat light. Even Piper can wear it. Also, it comes with this really awesome carrying case. You unzip it, put your ring in here, close it, secure it, hang it on your bag, hang it on whatever, and carry it with you. That way it stays safe and secure no matter where you go. All right, that's a wrap, gear review crew. Get your DEX Fingerlight at fingerlight.com and tell them we sent you. Until next time, keep camping, keep shining, keep it weird. Good job. So I can channel my inner rugged camper. Jeez. Jeez. So good. Welcome back to the channel and to your favorite gear. Nope, let me start over. Get your DEX Fingerlight. Check this bad boy out. If a glow stick and a Swiss Army knife had a baby, this is what it would be.